Hi friends, welcome to the Plane Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. We've got a gorgeous Fokker. I mean, really nice. Noah's at the controls. Dan is straddling the aircraft, holding on to it. Thumbs up, Dan. Shalom to you both. Very good. Beautiful plane. You're in for a real treat, folks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful flight of this very unique plane.
Four birds out here. Let's get some props going.
Folks, if I'm correct, that is a Balsa USA kit. Love the scheme. Look at the weathering on the side to simulate the oil. Might be real oil, who knows, but wonderful kit. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful finish.
Man, the crowd is evaporating. Why don't you scared them all off? I reckon. Let's see what we can do. No. That's that stick, bud. That's that stick, right? That's right.
Folks, this is 1/3 scale. From a distance, it's got a great finish. Oh, he's got flutter. He's got flutter, folks. Oh, he's got flutter on the elevator. Oh, he's got flutter. He's going to try to save it, folks. Oh, here we go. Oh, phenomenal save, folks. Phenomenal save. Folks, that is, I mean, you can't describe it except to say phenomenal save butter. Really great. Just wonderful. All right, friends, more to come.